Imagine gliding above congested streets, experiencing your city from a breathtaking new perspective. What if your commute or even a sightseeing tour could be an effortless flight? Get ready, because the future of urban travel is no longer just a concept, it's here, and it's called the XPeng X2. The XPeng X2 is not just a flying car, it's an electric, two-seater autonomous marvel designed to redefine low-altitude urban air mobility. This incredible vehicle is built for efficiency, safety, and a whole new level of convenience, promising to make aerial transport an everyday reality for specific needs within our cities. What makes the XPeng X2 truly groundbreaking? First, its power system. Multiple electric motors drive its rotors, allowing for vertical takeoff and landing, much like a large drone. This means no runways are needed, just a small landing pad. The X2 boasts a futuristic, lightweight design, with an enclosed cockpit featuring a panoramic glass canopy, offering incredible views. But the real magic is its autonomy. The XPeng X2 is designed to fly itself, using advanced sensors and AI to navigate, avoid obstacles, and ensure a smooth, safe journey. You simply select your destination, and it handles the rest. So, how does this futuristic vehicle work for you? Imagine hailing an XPeng X2 for a breathtaking sightseeing tour over your city, free from traffic noise and delays. Or consider its potential for rapid, crucial medical transport, bypassing all ground obstacles to get patients or supplies where they need to be quickly. Its autonomous capabilities mean a safer, more predictable flight experience, reducing human error. It's quiet, emissions-free, and offers a truly unique perspective on urban living. Benefits are clear. Significantly faster travel within cities, reduced congestion on roads, and innovative solutions for specialized transport needs. The XPeng X2 isn't about replacing every car, it's about creating new avenues of mobility, making our cities smarter, more efficient, and more exciting. It's a glimpse into a future where the sky is truly part of our daily commute and leisure. The XPeng X2 is leading the charge in urban air mobility, transforming how we envision travel in our cities. This electric, autonomous flying car is not just a concept, it's a reality taking shape. To discover more about the XPeng X2 and the future of flight, visit xpengaeroht.com and join the aerial revolution. The sky is no longer the limit, it's your new highway.